Hello and welcome to the Sigen Energy Gateway Home installation guide video. This series will demonstrate how to mount, wire, and commission the product. Unpack the gateway and check the items in the package are complete. Remember to check for any damage. It's important to select a suitable installation site, in accordance with the requirements outlined in the guide. Sigen Energy Gateway should be kept at a distance from other equipment. Sigen Energy Gateway should be installed vertically. Prepare the following installation tools before installation, and required cables in advance. Flip the gateway over. Take out the back hanging accessory. Position with a spirit level and mark with a marker. Drill a hole with an electric drill. The diameter of the hole should be 8 mm and the depth should be 55 mm. Drive expansion screws into the wall and remove the screw rod of the expansion screw. Remove the screw rod of the expansion screw. Fix the back hanging accessory to the wall with expansion screws. Hang the gateway on the back hanging accessory. Tighten the screws at the bottom to secure the gateway. The gateway has been successfully fixed to the wall. Next, we move on to pre-wiring preparations. Note, make sure all equipment is disconnected from the power source before wiring. Open the gateway using the key included in the package. Unscrew the 4 screws and take out the inner panel. Prepare the PE cable. 4 L1, L2, L3, and N cable. Remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Install tube terminals. Crimp tube terminals. For PE cable, remove an appropriate length of the jacket and insulation layer from the wires. Crimp OT terminals and install heat shrink tubing. Unscrew the corresponding terminals to facilitate wire entry. Pass the AC cable through. Loosen the screws on the grid breaker with a screwdriver. Insert the corresponding cables. Secure the wire to corresponding terminals. For the PE cable, loosen the screw on the grounding bar. Secure the PE cable to the grounding bar. Then tighten this port. Similarly, connect the AC cables on the inverter side, non-backup and backup side to the corresponding breakers. For RJ45 cable, strip an appropriate length of the outer jacket and insulation layers from the wires. Connect the cable to RJ45 connectors. Crimp the RJ45 connector using an RJ45 crimping tool. Unscrew the corresponding ports to facilitate wire entry. You can disassemble the terminal and put the RJ45 and DI or DO cable in. Insert the connectors into RJ45 network ports. Then tighten this port. Then installing the inner panel of the gateway. Before powering on, ensure all wiring connections are secure. Do not switch on the miniature circuit breaker if it is not connected to the corresponding device. Turn on the front switch of the equipment. Then switch on the miniature circuit breaker, power grid, QF1. Switch on the miniature circuit breaker, inverter, QF2. Switch on the miniature circuit breaker, backup household loads, QF3. Finally, close the equipment door. Congratulations! The gateway has been successfully installed. Now you can see in the My Sigen app that the gateway has been automatically connected to the system.